Hi guys, today we have Lexus 570 2000 model and we are going to install central lock in a rear passenger door. Now we are going to loose the screw of lock. You can't see here, but there is a metal rod attached to the handle. We need to take that rod out. After that, we are going to take all screws out which are attached to the lock. Now here we are going to take out the complete lock out of the door. So you can check this out, this is lock and we are going to break the outer part of the lock so we can add a rod there for central lock. So we broke it. You can check this out, that's the moving part, and now we are going to make a hole there. Now we have flexible metal rod, a thin rod. Now we are going to make a L-shaped hook so we can attach to the hole. Now I'm adding the oil to the lock so every part of the lock gets moved smoothly. Now it's time to install it back. Install the metal rod of the handle and some screws to the lock so it get in position. Here I am attaching back the rod of handlebar so the customer can open it from outside. If you don't install back the rod, the customer can't open it from outside. Now you can check out the position of the central lock. I couldn't record when I was installing it, but you can check out the position and how I have installed it. It's time to give a connection to the center lock. Before installing back every single part of the door, it is better to check that center lock working good. Now it's time to pack up everything. Now it's time to check glass doors that it's not hitting the center lock. Now we are done with the work and we are going to check the door. Is it working good or not? Is it locked? Yes, it's locked. Unlock? Yes, it's